This is our revolutionary new Sea-Doo intake grate. This grate fits the RXTX and GTX 300 and 230 models. That's the 2018 and newer with the ST3 hulls. It also fits the 2020 GTR 230 along with the GTI 170 and 130 models. That's the new 2020 with the Polytech hulls. Here's a comparison between the new Riva grate and the OEM grate that comes on your Sea-Doo. Notice that our ramp is much steeper and it's much deeper compared to the stock ramp. Also, the bars are much deeper and go farther into the water for more tracking. The rear chip comes much farther forward and it's much deeper. All in all, this grate gives you a lot better hookup, reduced cavitation, and maintains much more top speed in rough water. There is no reduced top speed in flat water. It's a really revolutionary design.